how to create Facebook business account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can create a Facebook business account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to create a Facebook business account, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is actually open your browser and go to business.facebook.com/overview. I repeat, I'll make sure to drop a link below, business.facebook.com/overview, and here you'll find the options such as let's get started with the business tools from Meta. So right here you can see it says create an account, so just click on the create an account option. Make sure to enter your business name and then your business email and then your own name, and then click the submit option here, and then from this you'll be able to go ahead and then actually create your account in Business. This way you'll be able to create a Facebook business account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.